Morning guys, Scott with Flip and Customize, and today we're on our way to Barrington, New Hampshire to the middle school to support the Barrington Police Department for a new K9 as part of a big car show event that New Hampshire Muscle Car Club is putting on. So come along with us. We're all packed, set up. It's about a little after 6 and it's like 40 something degrees, but it's going to warm up in the 70s. It's going to be beautiful today for a car show. We're setting up as a vendor, so it's going to be a great day. Come along. Alright guys, we're here. It was actually not a bad drive. It's absolutely beautiful out. We're working on getting our vendor booth set up and get the S10 parked for the show. We can get this thing on the road. Alright guys, great weather. People are starting to come in now. The car lot is filling up. We'll go ahead and take a walk through here shortly. But absolutely perfect weather for a great cause. Again, we're here today at the Barrington, New Hampshire Middle School. So come on out and see us at the New Hampshire Muscle Car Club. It's to benefit a great cause, and that is the Barrington Police Department for a K9. So we're trying to raise money for them. So come on out, enjoy the show. Great day. Get your side, get your buddy. Oh, this is fine. I saw that.
September 11th, 2001, America was forever changed. It has been 20 years since the attacks, but the tragic day, which served as a true test of our American spirit, will always be remembered. So on this day, we observe Patriot Day and all that it represents. We honor the value of life, those we loved and lost, our country's resilience, and the strength of the American spirit. Please observe this moment in silence with us. To the website for People's Choice Voting.
Yeah.
Hi, Buffy.
She's a big.
If you have a smartphone, you just activate your camera, hover it.
The dunk tank, there might have been some ice put in the dunk tank, so might be a little cold, but we're taking donations. Come on down. It's all for a good cause.
Six 397-026 397-030 397-030 589-444 589-444 and 589-448 589-448. If you have any Israel tickets, come out to the booth. We've got 2 tables here on top. And he's really excited about it, so let's make sure he gets nice and wet. You'll notice that they put the new guy in the dunk tank. No big surprise there. Let's see if we can get him. Wicked cool trophies up here, as everybody knows. But I want to be clear that we're not professional judges. We go around, we got 25 guys. We see a 25 guys. in the bushes. All right, who else wants to step up, make a donation, and you can jump the cop. Any other takers? There we go. Boom, close.
Camera.
Just for those,
Even better. Thank you.
And also check out our 50/50. We'll get the music back on for now. And once again, thank you everybody for helping us fundraise today.
Right down the road.
These are both dogs.
Obviously, today's all about fundraising, and I just had a gentleman walk up here. Your name, sir?
Steve Becker.
Steve Becker, who has just written a check based actually from his wife, Christine Becker, from Breeze Pet Salon, a donation to the PD for $500.
Thank you, everyone. We, at Breeze Pet Salon, we understand our pets and how dogs are such a useful tool to the community and people. And Breeze Pet Salon just loves dogs and takes care of them. So we wanted to donate to the Barrington PD and hopefully we can get a new dog.
That's awesome, man.
Thank you very much.
Personal dog lover. Road here in Barrington, and Jerry, club member for a good amount of time, sponsored some trophies as well, I believe, this year, and has just written a check to the Barrington Police Department for $250. Let's hear it for Jerry.
Alright guys, got my buddy Don here, and we're going to do a quick little tour of the show. We'll start up on the hill and come on into the show, and kind of give you a high-speed once-over. Right, Don?
Yes, you got it, baby.
Up here on the fundraiser side, so that's why we're here today, guys. Obviously, we want to have fun and we want to show everybody our cars and talk to people, but we're here for one main reason, and that's a fundraiser for the Barrington PD to get them a dog, get them a canine, a department canine. Gotta remind you, Don Barnes, or Don, the t-shirt guy, over on the right-hand side of this here, if you're looking at the piece, he's got a t-shirt. To go
Hey, you gotta wait. We're gonna be on YouTube.
Giants, David, Tom, Backstreet, Jack sitting on Jackie's lap, got his hands twisted knees. Jackie said, hey Diane, let's run on behind the shade trees. Give it off those bottom folks left with 2 foot out please. Said, oh yeah, life goes on. Long after the thrill of blue.
All right, guys, take a little break. Got Evan here. We got some food, fuel in the system. It's a great day. It's in the 70s, sunny, great turnout. Having a good time.
There you are.
It's kind of nice not to be catching because I can walk you through it. So while he's down there, normally I have to wait till after to do this. Somebody tell me what that dog's demeanor is right now. He's having fun. I don't know who said it over there, but you're absolutely right. Tail is wagging, the dog is engaged. You can't see it from here. I know, I can see it. That dog is about throat deep on that suit, which is exactly what we want. But the dog is...
Just so you know, we've got a big check for you. Thanks to everybody out here. They had about 7,000, roughly 7,000. I'm not making these numbers up. This is from the chief. Wherever the chief is, he can verify this. About $7,000 that they had saved. They really need about $10,000, as you heard, for an A-level dog. And today, what do we got for him, Glenn? $3,260 over the 10 grand that you needed. Thank you, man. You get in the middle. You're the canine guy.
You guys have no idea how much this means to us in the town. Is it $3,200? Holy moly.
Probably gonna be more.
Probably going to be more. And then I have more donations from people during the dunk tank, but it really fills my heart to know that you guys are out here supporting us in the Barrington PD. I know as a police department you think we'd have the funds for a canine, but we don't. And just to have all your support, your cooperation, and getting the donations for a new dog, I really appreciate it. It means the world to me and the town, my coworkers, and again the community. And I would like to thank Nick and Chief Joy for putting the demo on. Thank you, everyone. Hey, in the dunk tank.
I've had the car since I was 11. My dad bought it for me in 1981 because he didn't want to give me a 66 GTO. I drove it through high school. It was a father-daughter project, and took it off the road after high school. And I just finished it. I've been restoring everyone else's cars for the past 30 years, and finally got mine done. And this is only the first show I've been to with it, so this is really special. Thank you.
First show, her dad bought it when she was only 11 years old, and she's from Lost Legend, an all-female owned and run restoration shop in Ware, New Hampshire. They absolutely kick butt at that garage or at that restoration facility. If you want to see what their work looks like, go check out that Charger. It's unbelievable. Congratulations, Viv. Awesome.
All right, guys, we just packed up. It was an absolutely fantastic day. We had a blast. What a great day. for a great cause. All in total, I believe they raised $3,200, presented with a big old check to the Barrington Police Department, which put them to their goal. I guess they needed $3 grand more around there to get that canine. So very proud that we were all be able to take part of this and promote and help them out. So what a great show. Be sure you check out New Hampshire Muscle Cars. Join that club. You will not be disappointed. And thanks again for watching the video, and give us a subscribe and a like. Thanks again, Flippin' Customized.